Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my Nihongo class. And for today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to make use of a verb and preposition in constructing Nihongo sentence. We will be constructing a sentence, but first we need to know that we will be using at, which is de in Nihongo, in constructing Nihongo sentence. We will also be using the following words. In our example, we have hon or book, the place which is toshokan, which means library, and the verb yomimasu, which means to read. We will also be using this pattern in creating Nihongo sentence using the preposition at or de in Nihongo plus the use of a verb in constructing a sentence. So the pattern will be pronoun wa plus place de plus noun plus particle plus verb. So take note. We have 5 here, which we will be using in constructing Nihongo sentence. So our first example is, she reads book at the library. So take note of our pattern, pronoun wa, place de, noun, particle plus verb. So in this English sentence, she is a pronoun, so we will be putting it in the beginning of the sentence. She is kanojo wa, followed by place de. Our place is at the library. In Nihongo, it is toshokan de. And the third will be the noun. Our noun here is the book, which is hon, followed by the particle o, and the last will be the verb, which is yomimasu, meaning read or to read. Take note that in our English sentence, we don't have number 4 here because English doesn't have a particle. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, which is the particle, and 5. But here in our Nihongo sentence, number 1 is the pronoun, kanojo wa. Number 2 is the place, toshokan, which is library plus de. Number 3 is our noun, hon. Number 4 is our particle, o. And last is the verb, yomimasu. If we try to translate, she reads book at the library, in Nihongo, it will be kanojo wa toshokan de hon o yomimasu. Let's repeat. She reads book at the library. In Nihongo is kanojo wa toshokan de hon no yomimasu. Our next example is, I watch movie at the movie theater. We will be using ega, which is movie, egakan, which is movie theater, and our verb is mimasu, which means to watch. Following our pattern, pronoun wa, place de, noun, plus particle plus verb. We will try to translate, I watch movie at the movie theater. So first is the pronoun plus wa, I is watashi wa. Next will be place de, which is at the movie theater. In Nihongo is egakan de. Next is our noun, which is movie, ega. Number 4 is the particle, o. And last is the verb, mimasu, or watch. If we will translate, I watch movie at the movie theater, it will be watashi wa egakan de ega o mimasu. Let's repeat. I watch movie at the movie theater. In Nihongo is watashi wa egakan de ega o mimasu. Let's try to construct another example. I play tennis at the park. We will be using the following words in this sentence. Tennisu means tennis. Koen means movie park. And we have here the verb shimasu, which is to play. Again, following our pattern, pronoun wa plus place de plus noun plus particle plus verb. Let's try to translate word by word. following our pattern. Number 1 will be the pronoun I is watashi wa, followed by the place at the park is koen de, followed by the noun tennis is tennisu, and followed by a particle o, and the last will be the verb shimasu or play. If we will translate I played tennis at the park, it will be watashi wa koen de tennisu o shimasu. I'll repeat. I played tennis at the park. In Nihongo is watashi wa koen de tennisu shimasu. This time we will be having an exercises. I will be giving you 5 seconds to translate our sentence in Nihongo using the pattern which I have taught you earlier. Our first sentence will be I eat dinner at the restaurant. Again, this will be our pattern, and we will be using the following words in translating this sentence I eat dinner at the restaurant. Dinner is yushoku. Restaurant is resetoran. To eat is tabimasu. So translate I eat dinner at the restaurant. Your 5 seconds start now. Very good. I eat dinner at the restaurant is watashi wa risottoran de yushoku tabimasu. Again, following our pattern, number 1 is pronoun I is watashi wa, followed by at the restaurant is resetoran de, followed by the noun dinner is yushoku, followed by the particle o, and the last is eat, which is tabimasu. If we try to translate I eat dinner at the restaurant, it will be watashi wa risottoran de yushoku tabimasu. I'll repeat. I eat dinner at the restaurant is watashi wa risottoran de yushoku tabimasu. Our next sentence is I study Nihongo at the university. Given the following words, Nihongo, which is Japanese language or just Nihongo, daigaku or university, verb will be benkyou shitemasu or study. Again, following our pattern, pronoun wa plus place de plus noun plus particle plus verb. Please translate I study Nihongo at the university. I'll be giving you 5 seconds to translate this sentence in Nihongo. And your 5 seconds start now. Very good. I study Nihongo at the university is watashi wa daigaku de Nihongo o benkyou shitemasu. So following again our pattern, I is watashi wa, followed by place at the university is daigaku de, followed by the noun Nihongo, and followed by the particle o, and the last is the verb study or benkyou shitemasu. If we translate I study Nihongo at the university, it will be watashi wa daigaku de Nihongo o benkyou shitemasu. I'll repeat. I study Nihongo at the university is watashi wa daigaku de Nihongo o benkyou shitemasu. Thank you so much for listening to my lesson and for watching this video. I hope that this time you already know how to construct a sentence using the verb plus the preposition in constructing Nihongo sentence. And if you have any question, please don't forget to write it in the comment box down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do consider subscribing and also click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with my new videos. Again, thank you so much for watching. Until my next video. Bye!